Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights not loading issue on iPhone. If Instagram highlights are not loading on your iPhone, try these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. Number one is check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try loading other apps or websites to confirm. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is not smooth or stable, connect to your iPhone and other Wi-Fi and fix your Instagram story not loading issue. So guys, if solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Restart the Instagram app on your iPhone and simply reopen it. Close the Instagram app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying this solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can often resolve the issues. Press and hold the volume up button, press and hold the volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number three is not working, now applying this solution number four. Solution number four is ensure you are running the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to the App Store app and tap on the profile icon of the top right corner and little bit scroll up. If Instagram update is available, simply update your Instagram app and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Check Instagram server, visit Instagram's Twitter page or down detector to see if there are any reported server issue. If reported server issue is available, wait some minutes or seconds to fix Instagram problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is log out and log back in. Try logging out and log back into your Instagram account and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is delete Instagram app and reinstall again and fix your problem. Delete the Instagram app, delete and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, general and software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply make sure your iPhone is connected to a VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, simply disable VPN or proxy and if resolve the issue. If none of these steps work, you may want to reach out the Instagram support team for further assistance. Remember to always keep your Instagram app and iPhone software is up to date and highlights not loading issue on iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Instagram highlights not loading issue on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.